Hey everyone, just a quick video here. I have to cat proof my plant because I'll be cat sitting for 2 weeks, and I already started with 2, so I'm gonna continue to do the rest. So I'm cutting flexible mesh to size to cover the pots, and then using nylon twine to stitch it up to hold it in place. Basically, I do not want the cats to get through the soil. Okay, so one more done, and just 5 more to go. Wish me luck. Before I get to covering my lime tree, I'm going to seriously prune it down. I pruned it the last time, and the new branches kind of all grow out at the top, so it's looking really weird right now. So I'm gonna cut it down all the way to here. Okay, here we go. One down. Now the next. Here we go. Okay, so I have 2 more plants to cover up, and I'll keep you guys updated if it's successful to keep cats away from digging into the soil. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I'll try it anyway. Okay, have a good one. Bye.